There's Togo and Tink and Duke and Shaylin. Hi guys.
Mommy, pack them up.
Oh, you don't have to pack them. They can walk. They're big puppies. They can walk.
Hey.
There's Togo. He's got eye boogers today. And there's Duke. And there's Tink. You gotta leave the tape on her head, Kay, so we can tell which one she is. How you doing, baby? Nice hair this morning.
Hey.
He can't go on the carpet yet, sweetheart. No, come back this way.